Hello, today I'm making my hair butter using ingredients I have in the home. So my name is Meta Fox. I'm gonna show you and tell you what I am using to make my own hair butter. So I have trust issues. I'm very careful when it comes to products. Right, so be it skincare, be it food, be it hair care, I want to make sure I use the brands that I trust for health reasons. So I decided last year to start making my own hair products. I use Ona Essential Oil. I think it's Ona Oils. Their shampoo is really good. But for conditioner, I use Beauty Water. I have a water machine that produces the right pH level and is really good to naturally condition your hair without using products. So these are the two ingredients I have mixed today. So I have mixed, this is cocoa butter and beeswax. So this I'm making, actually this butter can be for the head, for the hair, and also for the body. So it's my 2-in-1. So I have added olive oil after I heated and melted the cocoa butter and the beeswax. After it had cooled a little bit, that's when I added olive oil. And I also add my favorite essential oil. This oil, I love it. So after mixing everything, I pour it into a container. So what I had done, I had poured previously. I thought I was recording, so I had to pour it back into the pot. That's why the inside is kind of yellow. All right, this is the final product. Okay, it came out really nice. I like the consistency of it. So this is how I make my own hair butter. I actually use this for the body too, and sometimes I use it for the face, but most of the times I use Mary Kay products. But once in a while I like using my own product on my body and my face. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Subscribe, like, and share.